Hello everyone, and welcome to today's Elevated Midwest Hotel Tour. We are here at the Homewood Suites by Hilton at the Waterfront in Wichita, Kansas. This is a rather interesting hotel, and you'll see why in a few minutes. There's the front desk, fireplace, sitting area. Morning. And here, I believe this is the business center. Here is the breakfast area. We'll go there in a moment. There's some restrooms. And here you have guest laundry. $2 each. Two washers and 4 dryers. Right here is the fitness center. You have a treadmill, elliptical, a Peloton, balls, and weights. And you get a view into the pool. Here is the indoor pool. And over here is the spa. And you get a view of the pond here. And actually, let's go out this way. Over here is a gazebo, and right here you actually have a putting green. And over here is a basketball court. Now let's head back this way. Take one more look at the breakfast area and then we'll go up the elevator. Kansas State bird right there. Some interesting artwork. Now let's go toward our room. We are in room 230 at the end of this hallway to the left. I don't know if they call it a suite or a studio, but you'll see why in a second. Here it is. Here is the evacuation plan. As you enter the room, you have a living area and a small and cramped, but mostly equipped kitchen. You've got a fridge and a freezer, dishwasher and dishes, coffee maker, sink, and a cooktop, and a microwave. No oven though, but you could still extend your stay if you needed to, because you'll be able to have eat freezer food, and there is a restaurant nearby. Here's your workstation, and you look out the window, you get a nice view of the pond and the sports court and patio. Here's another view. Here's some, if my camera will focus, there's some office buildings over there. And way down there is Webb Road. There's also some medical offices nearby, so this could be a convenient place to stay if you need those. Now let's walk further into the bedroom. We have 2 queen-size beds, a second TV, another chair, and another view this way of some more waterfront buildings. Over here you have your thermostat, and unfortunately at the time of taking this video, we did get a note from the hotel. Pause if you want to read. But other than that, our stay has been pleasant. Here you have your sink. I apologize that our stuff is there, but here is your closet. Ironing board and iron. Extra sheets, I think. Oh, and this couch is also equipped with a sofa bed. But if you bring your own pillows and sheets and blankets, you don't have to do that, because someone could just lie right there if they wanted to, without having to pull out the sofa bed. And last but not least, here is the bathroom. And here is the shower. I do highly recommend this place. This is the Homewood Suites Waterfront in Wichita. And we'll wrap up this video with one more view this way. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe for more.